The Cleveland Cavaliers announced Saturday that forward Kevin Love will not play in Game 7 of the Eastern Conference Finals against the Boston Celtics on Sunday. Love came out of the Cavs' Game 6 victory on Friday in the first quarter after a hand-to-hand collision with Celtics forward Jayson Tatum. The 29-year veteran entered the NBA concussion protocol in March after taking an elbow to his mouth, and also missed Game 3 of the 2016 NBA Finals against the Golden State Warriors with a concussion. Love has had problems in these playoffs, with averages of 13.9 points and 10.0 rebounds per game. It is also throwing only 38.8% from the field and 34.6% from the three-point range. He was an all-star during the regular season, averaging 17.6 points and 9.3 rebounds per game, while shooting 45.8% from the floor and 41.5% from long distance. Love was Cleveland's starting center in all but one in the first two rounds of the playoffs, but head coach Tyronn Lue has inserted Tristan Thompson into the lineup in the final 5 games of the conference finals, allowing Love to play the front paper.